The Hindu shortened dictation, total words 480, speed 80 word per minute. Start. During the nationwide lockdown imposed to contain the spread of COVID-19, it has become clear that many activities can simply be done online. Over the last decade, Indians have embraced technology in a greater way than ever before. We all have apps on our phones: Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Uber, Ola, Zomato, etc. that help us procure various goods and services. Today, in these exceptional circumstances, work from home is a concept whose time has come like never before. Many offices are gearing up for the new normal of staying at home and working, as restrictions are expected to continue for an indefinite period. This brings us to the question: how can we use technology to ensure speedy disposal of cases? Para. The pendency of cases in various courts in India. The Economic Survey of 2019-2020 dedicates a chapter to pendency of tax cases and revenue cases. The survey mistakenly argues for more court infrastructure and judges to solve the problem. On the contrary, the existing infrastructure is grossly underutilized. There are tribunals such as the Income Tax Tribunal that function only half day most of the time. To make matters worse, most courts are closed for Christmas and summer vacations. Judges are not accountable for efficiency and performance. Thousands of Indians cannot afford to go to court as legal costs are high and legal procedures are complicated. Para. It is a fact that most tax matters do not necessitate personal hearings. Tax cases reach tribunals and higher court after lower authorities record all the fact. The High Courts and the Supreme Court deal with issues and interpretation of the law. The bane of the court system is that lawyers on both sides need to be physically present in court. Cases are often adjourned due to various reasons. It is in this context that we make the case for a virtual judiciary. Para. In such a scenario, we can submit all the papers via mail. The judge can decide the case based on all the available information. Wherever the judge requires clarifications, he or she can seek the same through email. Typically, the judge, after considering all the material available, can pass a draft order and send it to both sides for any comments which they may want to provide. Thereafter, the judge can, after considering the comments, pass the final order. This will enhance the quality of the judgment and also eliminate obvious errors. Para. The use of the court hall to decide such matters is superfluous. Not only will a virtual judiciary result in substantial savings in cost, but will also lead to speedy disposal of cases. The productivity of lawyers will increase substantially as visits to courts and long waiting hours will be more an exception than a rule. If this practice is extended to other civil cases, efficiency will double, even triple in judicial